Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make a voice call on Skype. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Skype application, which of course I have done right here. Now let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to make a voice call on Skype. From the left corner of your screen, you're going to find the option that says Chats, Calls, Contact, and Today. Head over to chat, and once you head over to chat, you're going to see the people that you can reach out to. Like, this is me, and this is somebody in my chat box that this assortment favor is. You can just click that open. So just open up any chat, and once you open up any chat, so this is me, I can't really Skype myself, so I'm going to open up this chat, and from here I'm going to have to head over to the top right corner of my screen where I have this video call icon here and voice call icon here. Now there are two ways to go about it. I can also click on the settings icon and choose any of those options. Here says send message, start call, start video call, start private conversation, schedule a call, share contact, and create new groups. So you can just go ahead and click on start a call from here. And if you head over to this three dots menu at the bottom right corner of your screen, you also get to see an option for you to, schedule a call if you want to schedule a call. Okay, so from here to start a call, or just head straight to this voice call icon here to start your call. So I'm just going to click on that, and that's it. So it's connecting. Now this person is not online, so this call is definitely not going to pull through. But if the person is online and you want to contact or connect with the person via phone call or via the voice call, just go ahead and click on this plus icon here. Or like I said, there are two ways to go about it. You can definitely use the settings icon at the other corner of the screen. That's the left corner of the screen. So use settings icon and click on start call, and we're back to this window. So that's pretty much it. You can go about the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.